Hello everyone and welcome back to another day of 100 days of making comics. Today is day 29. Today's video is a little bit short because I only had about 30 minutes, just over 30 minutes to do this video. And everything is sped up to 650, which makes it just over 5 minutes. Today I didn't feel all that great, so I ended up sleeping a better portion of the day. I'm a little bit sad that I didn't get more done today, but you know, it is what it is. I did come across an interesting debate on Twitter. People are irritated that the idea of doing art every day is perpetuated in artist culture, that you should be drawing every day. And everybody seems to be highly upset by the saying, oh yes, you should draw every day. And they're upset by the fact that when they were in university, their teachers told them that they needed to draw every day. The interesting thing to me is that everybody says it's toxic and that it hinders them and makes people burn out. Nobody told you to draw all day, every day. I don't think that any of your teachers will have ever meant that. I have told all of my students to draw about 30 minutes a day. I find that drawing at least 30 minutes a day will get you more creative, more ramped up to do more. I don't think that drawing for 8 hours a day, every day, is going to make you a better artist. There are other things in that 8 hours that you should be doing. You should be working on your social media. You should be getting more inspiration. And for those of us who actually enjoy drawing every day, all day, maybe you shouldn't shame us for telling people that that is how you get better. I'm sorry, but there is a clear difference between the students who actually have drawn 30 minutes to 2 hours every day and those students who have drawn every couple of days. If you are starting late in the game, you need to focus. You need to have that drive. And if you're gonna be upset that somebody has told you or perpetuated a culture where practicing and doing something more often is going to make you better, then I'm sorry, you need to know how people work. If you practice, and you practice intelligently, you will get better. I've seen it in my students, I've seen it in myself. I have never increased my skill faster than when I have drawn every day or drawn every couple of days for a significant amount of time. I'm not talking about, oh, I drew every day for 10 minutes. I'm talking, I was actively drawing every day for 30 minutes to 2 hours to 8 hours, depending on the day, and I saw a visible increase in my ability because I was applying what I knew and applying my knowledge, my skill sets, as actively as possible. People aren't perpetuating a culture that you get better because you practice, and you need to practice every day because it's wrong. They're stating it because it's a fact. It's how they got there. And I'm sorry if it makes you want to burn out. And I'm sorry if you think that working freelance is going to pull in money if you're not actively working on your art. I work in an industry where you have to do art every day. I work in an industry where if you don't, you will quickly fall behind. Not to mention, in animation, if you're not drawing every day, you're not doing your job. If you're going to burn out from that, maybe you should consider it as a hobby and a pastime instead of a full-time job. So yeah, I have a lot of feelings about this. I don't think that anybody should be made to feel like they have to do art. You don't have to do art every day. It is a suggestion, and it is a way that many of us have gotten better over the years. We have sacrificed things that we could have been doing to be better at our craft, and you shouldn't be high and mighty about it. I think that if you choose to do absolutely no work every single day, that's on you. I think that the advice of practicing every day, actively practicing, actively drawing every day, will make you better faster. I think that drawing without purpose for 8 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year will get you nowhere. It's all about the amount of time that you spend actively doing something. It's quality, it's not quantity. So yeah, if you're somebody who doesn't work well doing the same thing every day, day in and day out, then don't practice every day. Anyway, my day has been interesting. I'm tired. I'm going to go back to sleep. I hope you all have had a wonderful day, night, or morning, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.